Welcome friend to our YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner. Guys, today we are having a question, and that is, a sporting goods store ordered an equal number of white and yellow tennis balls. The tennis ball company delivered 45 extra white balls, making the ratio of white balls to yellow balls 1 upon 5 is to 1 upon 6. How many white tennis balls did the store originally order for? So it is a very easy question, but it needs a bit understanding. So to make it easy, we have to find out that how much the original number of white ball did the store ordered. So here the first thing which we have to do, that is for your understanding. So we divide this question into two parts for just your understanding. So here in the first part, the sporting goods store ordered white and yellow ball equally. So here that is white ratio yellow. This is for the storekeeper who ordered, and that was in the ratio that is equally. So we take 1x ratio 1x. So this is for white balls and this is for yellow balls. So here the storekeeper, the store demanded white and yellow in equal ratio. So this is the ratio equally when he demanded. But according to a given condition that the company delivered 45 extra white ball and made the ratio that is 1 upon 5 to 1 upon 6. So here we take after delivering 45 extra white ball. I hope you have understood it till here. Now here that is white upon yellow, that is how much? 1 upon 5 divided by 1 upon 6. So what does this become? It becomes that is 1 upon 5, and this becomes cross multiply 6 upon 1, and this becomes that is 6 upon 5. I hope you have understood this method. Now the ratio for white and yellow, that is 6 upon 5. So it has just changed. Now here the main question, that is he demanded equal white and yellow balls. So here 1 upon x upon 1 upon x. So these are the demanded balls by the store. But after delivering 45 extra, so here for white ball, if 45 white ball have been extra delivered, so here then the ratio changes, and that becomes that is 6 upon 5. I hope you have understood it completely. So here x we have just taken for white as well as yellow. So here this becomes, so we cross multiply it, and this becomes 5, and x plus 45 is equal to 6, and here this becomes 6x only. Now further solving, this becomes 5x plus 5 multiplied by 45, we get here that is 225 is equal to 6x, and this is x, 5x, and this is x. So this becomes 225 is equal to 6x, and this goes this side, becomes minus 5x, and here we get 225, that is equal to x. So this is the balls ordered by the store, and this x is equal to 225 is the white ball, and this is our answer as well. I hope you have understood the method completely and the question as well. So if you like the method, so it is requested to you, please subscribe our channel Aptitude Math Learner.